Contact juggling is a form of object manipulation that focuses on the movement of objects such as balls in contact with the body. Although often used in conjunction with toss juggling, it differs in that it involves the rolling of one or more objects without releasing them into the air. Many of the techniques found in contact juggling, such as balancing or rolling a single ball or palm spinning, have been performed for centuries. More variations were introduced by vaudevillians such as Paul Cinquevalli. In 1986, American juggler Tony Duncan was reported to be holding audiences spellbound with an act that involved rolling a single ball all over his body. Michael Moschen brought the form to a new level with his performance, Light, developed in the 1980s. In this performance he used 75mm clear crystal balls, palm spinning up to 8 balls simultaneously. He finished the act by rolling a single clear ball so that it appeared to float over his hands and arms. Moschen received praise from the international circus community for his range of innovative techniques, and he was made a MacArthur Fellow in 1990. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.